Assalamu alaikum students, this is me Sana Uruj, and in this video we will discuss about properties of parallelogram and question number 1 of exercise 16. Firstly, we will discuss properties of parallelogram. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. If you have a parallelogram ABCD, angles at A and C are equal to each other. Angles at B and D are equal to each other. Pairs of adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. What are adjacent angles? Angles at the same line in a parallelogram are the adjacent angles. If you have a parallelogram ABCD, angles at vertex A and B are adjacent. Angles at vertex B and C are adjacent. And what is the meaning of supplementary? It's mean if you have two angles and their sum is equal to 180 degree, these two angles are supplementary angles. Pairs of adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. If you will add two angles of adjacent angles which are at the same line, the sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. You know that according to the definition of parallelogram, opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel and equal to each other. Before discussing point number 4, we will discuss diagonal. What is diagonal? A straight line which joins two vertices which are opposite to each other is the diagonal. You have a parallelogram on your screen. PQRS is the name of this parallelogram. A line is joining Q and S, and a line is joining R and P. These two lines are joining opposite corners of this figure. It means these are the diagonals of this quadrilateral, and the point where these two lines are intersecting is called O, the middle point of these two lines. The two diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. If you have a parallelogram ABCD, the line with joining A to C is the first diagonal and the line with joining B to D is the second diagonal. These two lines are intersecting, but these two lines are not intersecting each other. These two lines are bisecting each other. What is the meaning of bisecting? It's mean these two lines are intersecting at the middle point of each other. If you have a diagonal A to C, from A to C, and O is the point of intersection, the length of AO and the length of CO always equals to each other in a parallelogram. A diagonal divides a parallelogram into two congruent triangles. If you have a parallelogram and you have a diagonal from A to C, it's mean you have divided this parallelogram into two equal triangles. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. The dash of a quadrilateral joins two non-consecutive vertices. If we have a quadrilateral ABCD, a line which joins A to C and B to D. A and C are non-consecutive vertices, B and D are non-consecutive vertices. These two lines are the diagonal of quadrilateral. I will write diagonal in the blank. The sum of the angles in a quadrilateral is dash. We have discussed it before. The sum of the angles in a quadrilateral is equals to 360 degree. The opposite sides of a dash are not parallel. In a kite, the opposite sides are not parallel. The adjacent sides are parallel in a kite. The opposite angles in a parallelogram are dash. We have discussed in this video. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal to each other. In a rhombus, all the sides are dash. We know that in a rhombus, all the sides are equal.